Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today I am back with another video where we are going to learn how to write a story using a given outline. Outline means a short description of what the story will be about, what will happen in the story, and who will do what, etc. And you will have to write in details taking help from the outline. Important points to remember while developing a story from an outline. Read the outline of the story carefully and understand what the story is all about. Develop the points of the outline into complete sentences. Third, follow the sequence of the points given. Do not omit any part of the outline. Fourth, every story has a beginning, a middle, and an ending. Fifth, include details to make the story interesting and understandable. Sixth, write the story in the past tense even if the outline may be provided in the present tense. Seventh, give a title to the story that is related to the main characters or events of the story. Eighth, write the title using the title casing in which the main words begin with capital letters. Here is an outline of the story given. An ant is weary and thirsty, walks along the bank of a river, stops to quench its thirst. Strong rush of water carries away, drowning the ant. Dove on a tree plucks a leaf, lets it fall. Ant climbs on the leaf, floats safely to the bank, thanks the dove. A bird catcher under the tree lays lime twigs, makes a trap to catch the dove. Ant stings its foot. Bird catcher cries in pain, throws the twigs. Noise draws dove's attention. Dove flies away. As you can see, a short description of what the story is about is given. Okay, now you will have to follow the sequence in which the points are given. Okay, and write a complete story without omitting any part of the outline. Okay. We have understood from the outline that the story is about an ant and a dove and how they help each other. Okay, so let's write the story now. So we will start the story with the title. The title of the story here is The Ant and the Dove because the two lead characters of the story are the ant and the dove. So we will start the introduction as, on a hot summer day, an ant was walking along the bank of a river. The ant was tired and very thirsty. It went to the bank of a river to have a drink of water. The rush of water in the river was strong and the ant got carried away. So introduction is done here. Now we will write the body. Okay, as I have told you, there are three parts of a story. The beginning, the middle part or the body and the ending. So body we will start. A dove sitting on a tree overhead saw the ant was drowning. So the dove plucked a leaf from a branch and let it fall into the river close to the ant. The dove said to the ant, "Climb onto the leaf. It will keep you from drowning, and you can float safely to the bank of the river." The ant climbed onto the leaf and floated safely to the bank of the river. The ant was very grateful. Later that day, the ant saw a bird catcher. The bird catcher came and stood under the tree. He laid lime twigs and was making a trap to catch the dove. The ant saw this and realized that the bird catcher was trying to lay a trap to catch its friend, the dove. So the ant stung the bird catcher on the leg. The bird catcher let out a painful yelp. and threw down the twigs. The dove heard the noise and flew away. Now the end. So, in this way, the ant repaid the dove by saving its life from danger. So, what lesson have you learned from the story? The moral of the story is, if you do good, good will come to you. Okay? I hope you have understood how to write a story out of the given outline. Okay, along with this video, an assignment will be given where outlines will be given and you will have to write stories taking help from the given outlines.